Silver against US dollar. This week started with a bearish candle, and we can see it was indecision between the buyers and the sellers. The price was trying to move higher, and then the bears had pushed the price down, but could not close the day below this area of support. Second day, very similarly, where the buyers could not manage to push the price higher. Very little push, but then the bears have stepped in, again pushing the price down, but could not close the day below this area of support. And then finally they have managed to push the price down, forming a bearish candle, but the next candle has completely invalidated the bearish breakout going further down, but it was a bullish breakout targeting higher price levels. And after that, the price has continued to rise in value, reaching higher price levels, also going above 37.42 resistance level. Weekly time frame shows me that we have a continuation of this bullish breakout from the previous week. We can see that this previous candle has managed to go above this area of resistance, and it has closed above, which is continuation of this bullish momentum, where the price has also managed to make 37.42 bullish breakout. Monthly time frame shows us a continuation of strong bullish momentum that we are currently in, so I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value. We can see that the next level is 41.65 on the monthly time frame, but first of all, there is also potentially that the price could return back down, testing the previous resistance, now acting as a support, and then bouncing, continue to rise in value. It's not mandatory, but it is possible. Weekly time frame shows me that we have currently a bullish breakout above 37.43. Will the price return back down, testing the previous resistance, now acting as support? It is also potentially possible. On the daily time frame, we have again a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. So where the price will stop, what is the next resistance level? It is this one, 41.65, but it's very far from this area. There are also small resistance level that will be formed in between this area of support and resistance level. This is something that we need to watch closely, how the price will behave every day during next week. So this is something that I'll pay attention, and also, for example, this bullish breakout and also other bearish and bullish breakout that has been formed on the chart. So feel free to check the premium analysis inside. The link will be below in the description, so you can receive also a bullish breakouts and bearish breakouts. For example, here it was a bullish breakout that has been formed on the 1 hour time frame, where I have sent information to the traders that the entry level will be here, a take profit level here, and the stop loss level here. It was a successful one because the price has reached the take profit level. This is something as an example that you can expect inside the premium analysis if you join other traders, so feel free to check that. For now, I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, but I will pay attention how the price behaves around this area where the price could return back down to the first support level. Will it happen? Everything will be shown here on the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame, because they are also the first step how the price will behave. What we can see here currently, the price has formed on the 4 hour time frame a bullish breakout indicating further rise, where 38.70 is the next resistance level. What is the target currently for this bullish breakout? That is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.